Don't Look Inside, a make-believe ideas book, illustrated by Stuart Lynch. Don't look inside the fridge. Freeze, don't take a peek. A monster's chilling in there. Who'll blow raspberries on your cheek? Don't look inside the wardrobe. There's something in the clothes. This monster's style is scary. And he might tickle your toes. Don't look inside the oven. You'll get into a muddle. This monster is a hothead. And she wants a toasty cuddle. Don't look inside the toilet. You might flush if you do. A monster's swimming in there. And he loves to splash at you. Don't look inside the bed. Please give it a miss. This monster might look friendly, but she really wants a kiss.